Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert an image into plus shape in Google Sheets. So let's start. At first, open your document. In this video, I will show that convert an image into plus icon shape. Now going to the insert window option. Now click for a drawing option. Then select from the image option. Now click for a below option. Then find your image. Now for open. Then show. Insert from image. Now this image and plus icon shape. Now going to the marks image option, then click for a, now going to the education option, then click for a plus icon option. That's it. Now click for a save and close option. That's it. Then show convert an image into a plus shape icon in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.